What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We cover apps involving money on this channel, and we're going to be doing an update video to the Cash App in this video. So we already talked about the fact that Cash App now has a savings account and it has a roundup feature. We're not going to cover that because we already made a video on that. So if you haven't seen that video, you'll want to check that video out just on the screen right now. Cash App has since then updated the feature with some new information, and overall it is favorable. So you can see via this email that Cash App now has the ability to pay you at 4.5% interest rate on the money you keep in your savings account. So that's great, but it does have some conditions. So as we read, your savings earn interest through our partner bank to keep your savings balance growing. No fees, no problem. Save with as little as $1. No minimum balance, monthly or hidden fees. This is great, and it is FDIC insured through their partner bank. The savings account doesn't have any limits or monthly caps, and you can make arrangements to save automatically via the roundup function that we've already covered. Now, in order to take full advantage of this, you'll need to do the following. You need to have a Cash App card. If you don't have a Cash App card, you won't earn any interest on your savings at all. If you have a Cash App card, you can earn 1.5% interest off the money inside the account. If you receive via a direct deposit over $300 per month, then your savings rate will increase to 4.5%. That means that your total amount deposited in the account within the month needs to be over $300. It doesn't necessarily mean that you need a direct deposit to be over $300. That's important to know. And lastly, you have to keep depositing more than $300 a month via a direct deposit method. If you want to know how to set up direct deposit, you can check this video out. But that basically covers the updates to the savings account. Overall, I think this is a great step in the right direction because a savings account that doesn't pay any interest isn't really of much use nowadays. So it's glad to see the Cash App is taking the steps to move in that direction to at least offer a savings account with interest. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Links to the videos that I've referenced can be found in the description, the pinned comment, and also at the end screen at the end of this video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny. Give this video a like for YouTube algorithm, and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you later.